This is the WORKPRO 7.2V cordless hedge trimmer and grass cutter with the 44-inch extension pole on it. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. I'm 6'2", and you can see how far this comes up to me on here. Actually pretty good height. I've seen demos of these where people are actually mowing their lawn with it. I guess that would work if you had a really small yard, and some people do, patio sections, stuff like that. But this is made for the finishing details that make a yard look nice. So if your yard has a lot of borders or obstacles, decorative stuff like statues and little fences, whatever, stuff you can't reach into with a mower or a weed whacker, you might find something like this handy. Helps neaten it up. All right, arrived safely, nice looking box, and inside the package you are going to get a 7.2V cordless trimmer body. You're going to get a 44.5-inch detachable extension pole, so you don't have to bend over. And this has the safety and the trigger on here, and I'll show you a little bit more about that. This is just a thin plastic on this end. It's got a place to plug the tool into right here. We've got extension poles. Comes in 3 pieces, easy to assemble. You can see you've got the pins on this end, holes on this end. You just line up the line everything up and snap it into place. And if you want to release it, you press the release button here. And that goes the same on this section. If any of these sections here become loose, there's a Phillips head screw in here that you can tighten down or loosen it up, get it into place, tighten it back down again. Just be careful, there's wiring that runs down through this section and this section. Just to show you, the tool itself just slides into here, locks into place. You can see it lays flat on there. There's a release button here for when you want to pull the tool out. And there's a hole right here where you plug this cable into to get it power. And once you get the battery in there, it's good to go. You get a grass shear blade with a cover on there. You get a shrubbery blade also with a cover on there. You get the instructions, easy to read, it's easy to use. You get about a 3-foot long Type-C charging cable and the 2.0 amp hour 8-volt max rechargeable battery. The battery is going to give you about 70 to 80 minutes of runtime on a full charge, they say. Obviously, that's going to be dependent on what you're cutting. Takes about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge it. And when it's charging up, there's 3 lights on here. 3 lights is obviously going to be the full charge. And when you release it, there's a little release lever right here. This side right here is raised up. And once you've done it a few times, you grab the battery, you feel for the raised up section, and you can put it in without even looking at it. The tool itself measures a little over 10 inches long and about 3 inches wide. It is super lightweight. There are no tools needed to put on the blades. I like that they have these blade covers with it, and you can see that this section lines up right here and it snaps closed. As far as putting the blade on, you've got the drive right here and the hole. You just line it up and you snap it into place. And to release it's the same way. Sometimes you got to give a little help, or you can just do it like this while it's sitting on the table. Line it up, snap it into place, you're good to go. The grass blade section is roughly 2 inches by 4 inches. The shrubbery blade section is roughly 2.5 inches this way and about 7 inches long. You can see this little cover on here. We've got some bolts on the top, so easy to slide on. You just put it over top of the bolts. I'm not sure what the max cutting thickness is on here, but it's obviously made for hedges and small branches. Has a nice non-slip handle on here, comfortable to hold. It's pretty lightweight even with the blade on it. There's a dual safety lock so it doesn't start accidentally. You just push this button in, squeeze the trigger, and it goes at a nice steady pace. So there you go. Something like this would be good for cleaning up the edging along sidewalks and driveways after mowing, cleaning up grass around flower beds or garden borders like I have here, or raised beds like I have here. Good for tight spots near trees or fence posts, for detailing small lawn patches or patios, and obviously good for shaping low hedges and small shrubs around the yard. Very nice.